Hey guys, I would like to welcome you to my podcast about ending the tobacco epidemic in Arkansas. If you are new here, my name is Claire Wiscombe and I'm a student here at BYU Idaho studying public health. I've created a program this semester to encourage stopping the tobacco pandemic in Arkansas, and I hope to reach people seeking guidance through this podcast. In high school, I was surrounded by a lot of kids that used smoking tobacco. I was even surrounded by a lot of people that did chewing tobacco as well, but smoking tobacco is what we're here for today. This was a normal habit to a lot of the people I knew, and so I didn't think a lot about it. Through my studies in college, I've done a lot of research on smoking tobacco and the negative effects it has on people's health. I have also seen some shocking statistics that have opened my eyes that I would like to share with you. Did you know that nearly 9 out of 10 cigarette smokers tried their first cigarette by 18 years old? The new flavorings in tobacco products are making them more appealing to youth. In Arkansas, 22.3% of adults are addicted to smoking tobacco, while the national rate is just 17.1%. That is over 5% higher in the state of Arkansas. Addiction to smoking tobacco is more likely to occur if the parents of a person were addicted to smoking tobacco also. So, what could we do to change the world if we broke this cycle? Could we give the youth today more hope and a better future? There are so many things that you can do to stop smoking, but today I just want to go over a few. So if you or someone you love are addicted to smoking tobacco, listen up. The first step to stop smoking is to decide that you want to quit. You have to want it, you guys. You have to. This is so important. Second, set a quit date. This gives you something to work towards and look forward to. Third, you need to avoid temptation. Those friends that got you into smoking, drop them. They didn't care enough about you to keep you away from this harmful substance. Fourth, be prepared for those cravings. They will come. Some people say that chewing bubble gum or eating mints helps with their cravings. Try it. It can't hurt, right? Finally, seek support from your family and healthcare providers. These people care about you and want to make your life better. I want to encourage you to put these tips to the test. Try them out. See what works for you. Thank you so much for listening. We are glad to have you here. If you want more information regarding the tobacco pandemic, go to www.cdc.org or www.mayoclinic.org and search how to stop smoking. There is also more information on my website, www.getreadygetsetgetwellarkansas.org/stop smoking. See you all next time.